To create a new service contract in Alert Stratus, I'm going to click the Alert Stratus tab in the bottom left corner. I'll select the service contracts entity, where then here I'm going to see a list of all of our active and inactive service contracts. It's important to note that this entity is much different than the regular contracts entity that's built inside of CRM. This is a brand new entity that's been built for the Alert Stratus product. So to create a new service contract, I'll select the service contracts entity and I'll click the new button in the top left corner. So these top two fields are going to be grayed out because the system's going to create both these numbers for us. I'll start by giving the contract a name. I can provide a service level. I'll enter the account that this service contract is for, as well as an address, contact, our active on and end date, so I can put December 1st of 2011 until December 1st of 2013. Our status and our status reason fields are going to be grayed out with the word active in it. And then, like many other entities in the Alert Stratus product, we can choose to set a default service code and a default coverage code if we know that it's always going to be one type of service that we're providing for all work being performed on this service contract. So should that be time and materials or support non-billable type of work. Then we have our preventive maintenance creation. So this is asking us, do we want to create a single case or work order per item on this contract? Or if all PMs are due at the same time, do we want to create one case per location? When we're creating these preventive maintenance schedules, we're going to do so at the service contract line level. Next, we have all of our billing information. So I have our bill to account, our bill to address. I can enter a bill to contact. And then we have the billing product. So this is a required field for service contracts, and this can be done in various ways. So many companies may choose to put labor as the billing product, where others may choose to put contract billing, which is what I'll do for this example. And then they would select labor or any parts or equipment that they might be selling, and you create that as the billing product when you're creating your service contract line items. Next, I put in our price level. We have our billing frequency, so we can do it by annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, and so on. I can enter our purchase order number. We have our next invoice date, our billing start date, our cancellation date, and our billing end date, which we would submit. We can choose to auto-renew the contract after a certain period, and we can even choose to mark it up by a certain percentage if we wish. And then lastly, we select the currency we're working in. Then we simply save the service contract. So once I've done so, I can go to this Add tab here if I wish to add any documents. And now I'm ready to start creating my service contract lines for this service contract.